There's nothing wrong with wanting to dream big, just like the little girl in the next story that I'm about to share with you. Now, she has some pretty big dreams and wants to go on some pretty big adventures. But the important thing is that she has someone to share those adventures and dreams with, which, in my humble little opinion, is just as important as the dream itself. With beautiful illustrations by Fuji Takashi, from Felecia Williams, this is Grandma, I Wanna Be. Grandma, Grandma, guess what I want to be when I grow up? Asks Jasmine. What is it, baby? Asks Grandma. Everything, says Jasmine. Everything? Oh my, Grandma says. Come on, Grandma. I have lots to show you, Jasmine says, pulling Grandma's hand. Okay, as long as we're done before bedtime, winks Grandma. Grandma, I want to be an astronaut, Jasmine said. Maybe you will visit Mars, or a planet we haven't discovered yet, says Grandma. I wonder what this button does, wonders Jasmine. Prepare for takeoff in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll be right back, yells Jasmine. Zooming through space makes me hungry, giggles Jasmine. Would you like a freshly baked cookie? Asks Grandma. No, I'd like a whole bakery full of cookies, cakes, pies, and every kind of goodie, says Jasmine. If I become a baker, we can eat them all day, Jasmine said. That might make my tummy sick, says Grandma. That's okay. I can do all the tasting. Yum, says Jasmine, rubbing her tummy. I want to be the first female African American president of the United States, says Jasmine. Now that I can see, my dear, smiles Grandma. Maybe Mr. Barack Obama can teach me how, says Jasmine. Can you call him, Grandma? I don't think I have his new number, laughs Grandma. Look, Grandma, this desk is big enough for all my stuffed animals, Jasmine said. Vroom, vroom. Do you like my race car, Grandma? Shouts Jasmine. What did you say, dear? Shouts Grandma. I can't hear you over the engine. I am going to drive all the fastest cars in the world, Jasmine says. Ready, set, go! Grandma waves the starting flag. First place, here I come, says Jasmine. Are you getting tired, Grandma? Asks Jasmine. Just a little. It's hard keeping up with you, jokes Grandma. I'm going to be a doctor too, just like Dr. Kimberly, says Jasmine. I can help you have lots of energy. You will be a very smart doctor, says Grandma. Now take a deep breath so I can listen to your lungs, Jasmine said. I'm going to be a firefighter too, says Jasmine. That sounds dangerous, worries Grandma. I can help children climb out the window and even rescue animals, Jasmine said. We are lucky to have someone as strong and brave as you, says Grandma. See, Grandma, I saved the puppy, says Jasmine. You did it. Now please climb down before you get hurt, insists Grandma. I will be a police officer too, Grandma, so I can keep people safe every day. I feel safer already, says Grandma. Children never talk to strangers and always look both ways when crossing the street, explains Jasmine. Good work, Jasmine, gushes Grandma. Just doing my job, Grandma. Just doing my job. Tell me if you noticed anything suspicious, says Jasmine, looking around. Look, Grandma, squeals Jasmine. It's my latest experiment. Well, whatever it is, I know you will discover great things, Grandma said. Yes, when I am a scientist, I will help make the world a better place, says Jasmine. But first, teases Grandma, we need to clean up this mess. I'll become a lawyer and fight for justice, says Jasmine. We certainly need more people like you, grins Grandma. See, Grandma, My client is not a bad person. I believe you should give him another chance, argues Jasmine. I'm not sure, says Grandma. But Grandma, you always give people second chances, says Jasmine. I will think about it carefully, says Grandma, pounding her gavel. I'll be a teacher too, so other kids can grow to be everything they want to be, Jasmine said. Good idea, admires Grandma. Class, today we have a special guest, announces Jasmine. Her name is Grandma. Let's show her how good we are at spelling. Maria, will you please spell the first word? Asks Jasmine. Clever. Clever. Excellent, cheers Jasmine. All of you are very clever. Before you can live all your dreams, says Grandma, you have to go to school. I can't wait, says Jasmine. Going to college is one of my dreams too. I will be in the front row when you graduate, says Grandma. I would like to thank my grandma, who always believed in me, says Jasmine, giving her graduation speech. Go, Jasmine! Cheers, Grandma. That's my granddaughter. Sleep well, my child, and keep dreaming. I will always believe in you, whoever you become, promises Grandma. And Grandma kept her promise.